Hi, mathematicians. Today we're going to be doing Module 5, Lesson 8 in Topic C. Our focus will be our conceptual development, and then we're going to go ahead and do our problem set. Our learning outcomes, we have two today. First, you will be able to split shapes into parts, which are also called fractions. Number two, I will identify halves, quarters of circles and rectangles. So as you can see on our anchor chart, you can see I can show a whole. The red circle is a whole, the green square is a whole, and the yellow rectangle is a whole. The other thing that you're going to be able to do today is I can show and make halves. The third thing, I can show and make quarters. So we'll go ahead and discuss what we're going to be doing now. So basically, putting a whole into parts is called a fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole. For example, over here, we have a whole pizza. The second one, we have a half of a pizza. And down below is just a tiny piece of a piece of pizza. So we have a fourth of a pizza. So it's a part of a whole or a part of a pizza. We've been looking at shapes. And so what I want to do is our real big focus today is making sure that we're splitting our shapes into equal parts. So if we did this, would that be equal? Is that equal? I would say no, that would not be equal. However, if we did a straight line right down, does that look like they are the same on each side? Awesome. So we are really looking to see, like right here, if I did that, that would be not equal. So that would be a no. This would be yes, this is equal. Both parts are the same on each side. This would be no, that is not equal. Let's try with a circle. We're going to show two parts. We're going to show a half of a circle and a fourth of a circle. The fourth you can see on the very bottom right here. The 4 means that there's 4 equal parts. So you can see here, there's 2 equal parts. So if we split this in half, here's the whole, but we have 1, 2. So those are 2 equal parts. If I colored it in, that would show that one part of the circle is colored. So it's 1/2. Let's try to split the circle in fourths. I'm going to go here. There's 2 parts, but I need 4 pieces. So I'm going to go straight down. How many parts do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's one. To be 1/4, I actually have to color it in. So I have to color one part. That's 1/4. Now a rhombus. Let's split those rhombuses right in half into 1/4. Remember, a half means that we have 2 parts. 2 equal parts. Do we have 2 equal parts? Yes. Let's split the other one into 4. There's 2 equal parts. There's 4 equal parts. Kind of looks like a kite, right? If you wanted to go outside and fly a kite, those are both. Here is our half. Here is our fourth. Let's try one. Ooh, a square. Let's do our half and a fourth. Let's do the half first. We could probably go straight down. We can go straight across, but I'm going to do diagonal because I think it's fun. How many parts do we have there? Oh, yes, mathematicians, you're amazing. We have 2 parts there, so that's a half. Now we're going to try the fourth. I'm going to cut it right down the middle. That would be a half, but we want 4 pieces. That would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's cut in fourths. Just to review, we're talking about fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole. Whole. All of the parts together in one. That's one whole. The halves are 2 equal parts. It looks like 1/2 of something. Fourths or quarters are 4 equal parts. So let's go ahead and go into what we're going to do today. Here are some shapes. All you're going to do today is look at the shapes. Are they divided in equal parts? Let's look at A. Is A divided into 2 equal parts? And remember, equal means the same. If you said no, you're correct. So you're just going to see which ones are equal parts. Does C look like it's equaled? Yes, those look like they're pretty much the same. On 2, when we go down to 2, we're looking at 4 equal parts. Look at A. Are all 4 of those the same size? I agree. Great job, mathematician. What about B? Are all 4 of those parts the same size? Great. I agree. I say yes as well. Now, C. Are all of those the same? Nope, they're not. So we're going to write no. You're going to finish that on your own. And then you're going to do the back side. This one, we're going to do our coloring. So you're going to take a color crayon of any color that you want, your favorite color. And you're going to color for number 3, 1/2. So you're only going to color one part. So you're only going to color that one part. And then in number 4, you're going to color one part of the 4 parts. So you're just going to color 1/4 of the part. And that's what we're doing today, guys. You guys are going to be amazing because this is what we're doing and learning about fractions. I can't wait to see your work, and we'll see you soon, mathematicians.